What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to build a drag car in Real Drift. Now there's two different types of drag cars you can build in here, but I'm going to show you that only a few cars can pop wheelies in this game, but I'm going to show you which ones I like best. As you can see, I'm in the Viper. This one pops wheelies really easily. But if you're looking for a top speed drag tune, I'll show you the difference between the two. And it's actually only one thing. But I'm going to show you on a different car how to build a drag car. I have a drag setup on this. I have a drag setup on that. And actually, if you pay attention, you can kind of see the difference if you know what to look for of the top speed versus a wheelie tune, I guess you can say. We'll go, that's a race tune. This one I have set up for top speed drag. We'll do the S2000 because if I remember correctly, I don't get it too much, but if I remember correctly, you can pop wheelies in this thing. So we're gonna get in. You can see it's stock, so I'm gonna go to engine. Well, okay, it's lightly stock, but we're gonna go stage 10 engine. You basically want to fully upgrade it. That's about it. Man, that turbo jumped it up quite a bit there, huh? Firmware 10, like I said, just fully upgrade it all the way. See, now we're at 3,000 horsepower. It's quite a lot for this tiny little car. We're gonna weight reduction. We are going to reduce the weight. Now we're gonna weight distribution. This is a very important key factor in this. All the way to rear. You want all the weight in the back. Ride height. This is where it determines whether you want a wheelie or top speed drag tune. I'm going to do a wheelie tune on here. I'm going to show you, you want stock ride height. Now, this, because not every car can pop a wheelie, this is sometimes better. Like, I know on my S15, I have the suspension all the way up on stock because it is a little faster in acceleration and top speed than with it all the way down on its tune. But on the wheelie cars, if you're looking for more speed and faster acceleration, you want to lower the ride height. Camber angle, we're going to go, if I can press the thing, we're going to go all the way down. Steering angle really doesn't matter. Slick tire, got to have a slick tire. If you play this game, you kind of know that. Transmission, well, the fact that I got 3,000 horsepower, oh man, why are these gears so long already? Alright, well, we're going to go with a 2 because just looking at the numbers, it looks like it'll, well, we'll go a little faster. We'll go 1.6. It doesn't hurt. It's 3,000 horsepower and a 1,400 pound car. I usually always have these at 10, but I just had a very specific setup on this car. So that's why I was like that. Now we're going to go to quick race. We're going to go all the way to training lot. Here we go. Free ride. Why was it not pressing? Alright. Now, like I said, this is the wheelie drag tune on this car. I believe this thing can pop wheelies. Oh, let me show you settings. Settings, I have difficulty all the way down, steering sensitivity all the way down. And I do have steer assist on. It makes it a little easier to control these cars because, well, the front end, well, when you start accelerating, the front end likes to not, you know, be on the ground fully, but steer assist helps because it also doesn't lock the steering as soon as you go to steer it. Now, did this thing ever pop? I know I've popped a wheelie in this thing before, but I just gotta see. I really do not drive this thing that much, but here we're gonna show you exactly how fast this thing is on full throttle. I think I can go with some lower gears or some higher gear ratio, I guess. But you see, this thing is quick. 386 miles per hour and glitch through the wall. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and change the gear ratios on it. We're just gonna ramp it all the way down to 1. You know what? Screw it. Ramp it all the way down to 1. This thing is 1,400 pounds. I think it can accelerate through that. It says its top speed in first is 270. That's ridiculous. Yeah, look at this thing accelerate. We're just gonna shift anyways. 200 like that already. Now it's popping really well because of the wall. just gonna keep hitting the gas and let it go. I guess I know this car was a car that could pop a wheelie before, but like I said, I never really hit them too often in this car. Here's two other main cars that I pop wheelies in. 387, man, I went far. Alright, now here's I'm going to show you the difference. This I already have set up. I already showed you how to build it. I'm going to go ride height all the way stock. This is one of the wheelie cars, which is the 240Z. We're going to go right on here. This thing is ridiculous with wheelies right along with the Viper. I'm going to hit the gas, accelerate, and you'll see what I'm talking about in a second. Yep, there we go. It's already popping a wheelie. Now, see, the thing about the wheelie tune is you have to do throttle control, which makes your time slower. So if you're trying to go really, really fast and accelerate as quickly as possible, the wheelie tune is not it. But this, I usually rock with the suspension on stock because, well, it's fun. We're going to go. See if I try to full throttle it. Yeah, we got a throttle control. Throttle control. Now we can floor it all the way right here. But you see my speed, just watch the speed as I hit the wall. You'll see 370. Well, okay, I didn't hit the wall, I went through it, but 370. So now we're gonna go to ride height, and we're gonna put it all the way to stage 10. And with this requires no throttle control. I can just floor it and go for the best. So I'll show you. Acceleration is a little different, but top speed comes out beautifully. Can we drift this? Yeah, let's try to drift this. Well, it's kind of working. I was in first gear. I wanted to be in second, but let's do this. See, I can floor it and not pop a wheelie. Yeah, let's go, let's go. Come on, come on. See, this thing is quick. I love doing these to these cars. These things are really fast. 378. 378. See, if you're trying to reach top speed, you gotta have that suspension down. I tried to pop a wheelie there a little bit. Now we're gonna get in the Viper. I will show you one last example, which is in the Viper, and I will show you in a future video. This is the fastest car in the game. It is my top speed car. I do not have it set up for that right now, but it can achieve some insane speeds. I've hit 398 miles per hour. I want to try my hardest to hit 400, but I have not yet, under numerous attempts. This is a wheelie tune on the Viper, so we're just gonna get in this. You see, this thing is insane when it comes to wheelies compared to the 240Z. This thing does it more, but that's because this V10 is torquey. You can even wheelie drift it, which is awesome. And funny thing is even though the wheels are up in the air, the steering actually still works. So it makes it easier to wheelie drift it. So we're gonna go, I'm gonna throttle control it because I have to, and I'm gonna show you the difference between the wheelie tune and top speed drag tune. Come on, stop trying to pop wheelies. There we go. 350, wow, okay. It's just gonna keep doing that. Oh, it missed the wall now. Alright, now we're gonna go right in handling, ride height, stage 10, quick race, training lot. Here we go. You see this thing, it takes a lot of throttle control, but now this thing takes off differently. You see how quickly this thing takes off compared to that wheelie tune? It requires a lot. Oh, whoa, what? That is the first time I've ever hit a wheelie with the ride height all the way down. Wow, that's a first. This Viper is insane. So we're just gonna go right at it, just accelerate. It's still popping a wheelie. It didn't do that earlier before I recorded this video. Oh, this thing is insane. This is why I love this car. it's lowered and still hitting wheelies. But you can see already just from, wow, alright, you can see already that my top speed is a lot higher than what it was before. Well, I wouldn't say a lot, but it was definitely higher, but I still had the throttle control, seeing as how it's still popping wheelies. This thing is insane. It's never done that to me before, which is very intriguing because I've never popped a wheelie with the ride height all the way at stage 10 on this car, which is just ridiculous. Yeah, let's go and do a little throttle control. See, it's still trying to pop a wheelie at the top of 4th gear. Come on, let's hit 360, please. 365. See, I got a little better throttle control there. But with that being said, that's how to build a drag tune. Made it this far. That's awesome. I don't expect you to. I know a lot of you just want to get to the tune. That's completely fine. But I just wanted to show the difference between a wheelie tune and a top speed drag tune. And like I said, a video is soon to come with the NSX top speed tune. I'm going to try my best to hit 400. If I can ever hit 400, that would be amazing and will be the fastest speed ever hit in real drift. So I guess in a sense I'll have a world record. That would be awesome. But with that being said, that's how to build a drag tune. Thank you guys so much for watching. Check out the rest of my real drift content. I got a lot of cool tricks I do on there, other things. If you want to check out my setups, you know, I showed my drifting setup, my main setup on the S15. Right now I have a drag setup on it because I wanted to test it. I never really changed my S15, so thank you guys so much for watching. Like if you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell so when you get notified every single time I upload a real drift video. And leave a comment on what you might want to see. I mean, if you got something, I've already had a few people ask me for something. If you guys want to see something, let me know. I can see what I can do, and I will see you guys in the next one. This is JJX T-Man out.